guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a feast, let me tell you. So let me just show you what I've got first of all. I've got mac and cheese, I've got a veggie burger on the side, and I've got these chicken burgers with Monterey Jack cheese, mayo, it's got lettuce, red onion, cucumber and tomato. Oh, some garlic bread, but I don't know how much I'm going to eat of that. Wow. It's cheesy. And for drink, Fanta fruit twist. How am I even going to tackle this burger? Got that. The cheese. Wow. It's messy. Hold on a second. And I'm back. Sorry, that bedroom door opened. This veggie burger is really good. Let's try this garlic bread then. Look at that. Hope everyone's doing well. Under the circumstances. Gotta be honest with you guys. I pretty much lost my sense of taste and smell. So a few days ago, I made garlic butter chicken. And I added 5 cloves of garlic. And I literally couldn't even taste it. And then made the Oreo cheesecake. And I knew it was bomb. I just knew it. Plus everybody else was saying it was so good. And I know it's good. But when I was eating it, I was like, I can't taste, it doesn't taste of anything. Like, and my auntie was like, no, it tastes fine. But it wasn't until last night, when I had my dinner, and I had lasagna from the supermarket, which I used to go to, Marks Spencer's. I have this lasagna all the time, and I couldn't taste it. That's when I knew it's gone. This morning, I had some cheese and onion crisps. I couldn't smell it, I couldn't taste it, so I was debating whether or not to even make this video, because what's the point if I can't taste the food? Like, I know it's good because I've had this food before. And I know this mac and cheese is so nice. And I know there's cheese there, but I don't know, it's weird. I can't explain it. So, I should have known, because this morning I made a triple vodka Fanta fruit twist and I couldn't even taste the vodka. And that's not like me. I usually can't even drink vodka because of the taste. And I literally couldn't taste the vodka. This is just like a regular bun. If I knew I was going to make burgers, then I would have used like a brioche bun or something, but this is fine. It doesn't really make a difference. So, I googled it. I shouldn't have googled it, because then it was obviously coming up with the worst possible situation right now. But, oh yeah, I got my nails painted. They kind of bang still. That one's like a purple glitter. I was painting my nails. What was I saying? Oh yeah. It came up with the C word, and I'm like, it's not that. I think it's just a cold. But I can't remember ever in my life, like, losing my taste. I don't feel like I've ever lost my taste. I mean, I probably have, but not for a very, very, very long time. Whew, they're filling. So I'm gonna give it a couple of days. If I don't feel like my normal self, I have just woken up from a nap. I said I had a couple of drinks this morning. Wow. Took its toll. And I don't even remember, like, I literally was just in bed watching TV, then all of a sudden, must have fell asleep. Excuse me. Oh, that's gross, Hilden. And then, before I knew it, I woke up and it was like 7:30 at night. I was like, oh, God. And I must have fell asleep at like 3:30, 4 o'clock. So I've had a long, it wasn't just a nap, it was like a sleep almost. So now, I know I'm not going to sleep tonight. I can't taste the garlic. Let's try this burger. Look at them. Hang on, let me just show you this chicken. It's like so good. Wow. I mean, reverse. What is that song? No, 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 no. I can't. I'm sure I'll get copyright probably. And reverse it. That one. Remind me, I need to put the sauce on the bottom or in the middle, not on top. Oh, Jesus Christ. Because otherwise it just falls, slides. I've got a slider. Just already falling, man. This isn't ASMR because I'm not whispering, but I feel like I'm talking quite gently. So it could kind of be for some people. I'm just going to break it up because it's annoying me. What else is there to talk about? I feel like this is what it's like in the Big Brother house. I remember when I used to watch Big Brother, when the contestants come out, they were like, we were so bored just being trapped in a house like 24/7. I feel ya. And I miss working, like, obviously when you're working, you're like, why do I have to work? I wish I could stay home forever. And for a couple of days, maybe even a week, it's fun. You get to catch up on all the TV shows you've wanted to watch or you've missed. And then it's like, oh, this is boring. You get fed up of watching TV. So I know that's how I'm feeling. Like, I've got loads of stuff I could watch. But I'm sick of watching TV. I want to, like, do something. Even if I, like, go for my daily exercise on my own, it's just, like, boring. Do you know what I mean? I just want to, I don't know. I just want to go out for food or go to the cinema. Just walk around town freely. Go clothes shopping. Do you know what I mean? Oh well. This is our life for the foreseeable future. I know everybody's sick of talking about it, but this is literally our lives at the moment, isn't it? For everyone. It's only getting worse in the UK at the moment. We had a record number of deaths overnight. What's astonishing to me is that America has over 100,000 more cases than us, but only 900 more deaths. Put that into perspective. That shows how good their healthcare system must be in comparison to ours. We don't have the facilities and the apparatus, I think that's the right word. But you know what I mean, like the ventilators and stuff, we don't have enough for the amount that we're having. And if we compare it to, if we had 100,000 cases, our deaths would be a lot higher. We've got 1,100 deaths and only 20,000 cases. America has over 120,000 cases and only 1,900 deaths. So I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. Oh! I had some beg in my comments being like, don't talk with your mouth open. First of all, if you don't like it, don't watch. Get off my channel. No one's asking you to watch. And then I was like, I replied back being sassy and being like, sorry, hun, or whatever. And then this bitch was like, why are you calling me hun? Are you gay? Well, if you can't figure that out, then I don't know what to say. I really enjoyed that, even though I couldn't taste it. Oh, I can't eat that garlic bread. Oh, it's just too much bread. They're nice, but they fell apart, that veggie burger. But that chicken burger was nice still. I knew it would taste nice if I could taste it. But anyway, I'm hoping in the next couple of days my taste buds, I think it is just a cold, my taste and my sense of smell will come back to me. But yeah, if you like this video, you probably didn't, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. And yeah, until next time, bye.